Here we go again, Teach a Man to Fish channel here. In this video we will be cooking a spatchcocked, dry brined whole chicken on the Lodge Sportsman's grill. There's all kinds of videos out there about spatchcocking and dry brining your chicken, but essentially you're flattening out the chicken so it's going to fit on the grill better, and the dry brine will crispy up the skin of the chicken quicker. So here's what you're going to need: burning coals, Lodge Sportsman's grill or some other form of hibachi, cast iron griddle, spatchcocked, dry brined chicken, your favorite chicken spice. Mine is Cavender's all-purpose Greek seasoning. Put it on chicken all the time, very good stuff. Let's get started. First we gotta dust that, it's an excessive amount of salt. We'll dust that. Do not wash the chicken again because the whole point of dry brining is drawing the moisture out of the skin to help with crisping the skin up during the cooking process. Chicken is dusted off. Now we will apply our new favorite seasoning. Chicken is now seasoned and ready to go ahead and go prep the grill. All right, our coals are going in the chimney, burning good and hot. Load the grill. As you know, this grill burns hot, so we're actually going to let that burn down for a bit, and at the same time prepare our seasoning and the grill for the chicken. This is where the griddle comes into play. Olive oiled up, all of that sits there, and if you see the concept, chicken goes in there, both top and bottom will be hot, and it will flatten that chicken out and cook from both sides. All right, the grill's simmered down now. I've got the damper closed off because when I put this chicken on, I'm actually going to want to watch it closely. You don't want this to cook too fast because it'll just burn it. I can always open that damper and increase the heat if I don't like the rate that it's cooking, but it's kind of tough to do it the other way around to get it to cool off quick enough, and you can end up losing control real quick and burn it. All right, so that's looking pretty ready. We burned off a lot of that oil, so I'm going to go ahead and throw a little bit more oil on that. Now we'll go ahead and put the chicken on. Inside down. Throw the griddle on top. So now we will keep an eye on that, just to make sure that doesn't overheat. You can control that through opening a damper or closing it. So right now we're going to watch it settle and see how it's going to react. So it's cooking a little bit slowly, so I cranked open the draft. Just that much air is taking it up a notch, and I'm just keeping an eye on it to make certain that it's not burning. Looking pretty good. All right, now it's time to do a flip. Smells so good. So here we are, deep in the breast. We're hitting 156, 157. So it's about time to pull that off and go ahead and let that meat rest. It'll pass through 160 right on its own. Looking good. Sorry, I couldn't wait. I went ahead and did a little sample there. But as you can see, tenderness, juicy, smoke flavor is amazing. Spatchcocked, dry brine, done on the Lodge Sportsman's Grill. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please click like, share, and subscribe. Teach a Man to Fish channel. And I appreciate you watching. I hope you enjoyed watching it as much as I enjoyed making it. Throw a little bit more oil on the grill there. Oof. You do not wash the chicken again. You do not wash the chicken again.